What's up, guys? Rob from myppctraining.com, and in today's video, very simply, I'm just going to show you how to add the quality score column and a few other columns that you need into your AdWords campaign so you can see exactly what you need to see to optimize your AdWords campaign. Logged into your AdWords account, we're going to be in our white label campaign today. This is really simple stuff, so just follow exactly what I'm doing. All right, log into your campaign. You should be on your home page here. We are going to come down to Ad Groups. Actually, we've got to be in keywords. We've got to go down to keywords. There we go. And quality score is already here for us. So these are the columns that you want to have to optimize your campaign. All right, clicks, impressions, click-through rate, average cost per click, cost, conversions, cost per conversion, conversion rate, and quality score. And one more is actually search impression share. That's really important too. And I'll drop a video link below below this video. I'll drop a link to our other video about search impression share, what it is and why it's important. So search impression share under competitive metrics. Okay, so that's really it. You would come up here. This is how you add all your columns. Come up here to modify columns. Let's open that back up again. Go a little slower. In this performance, you come in, add your clicks, impressions, click-through rate, average CPC, cost, conversions. Add all the conversions you want to see. So all you do is just check the boxes and you hit apply, and then your columns will all reorganize right up here. And that's how you see your quality scores and your search impression shares and all that good stuff. So if you have any questions, drop them below the video. Let me know what you think, and subscribe to our channel. Give me a thumbs up. Check out the links in the description. And also, like I said, I'll drop a link in the description to the other video I've made about search impression share and why you should care about it and why it's really important. So check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.